Hey everybody, welcome back to the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. We got a 2018 Ram here that we sent out 3.5 inches. And I know I talked a little crap about this grill in a past video, but it's really grown on me on these lighter colored trucks. But this truck came in with a lot of work already done to it, a lot of cosmetic work. He's got the tinted lights. He did the 5-inch tint on the brow on the windshield, which I love that. Keeps the car nice and cool. Now as we head back, we did the 3.5-inch Radius Arm Kit. We did the dual shock setup as you saw in the montage that we did. We also did the dual steering stabilizer, keep that death wobble from sneaking up on us. We're going to be filming a what is a Radius Arm Kit, just to give you a heads up on that. And once that is filmed and ready to go, that's going to be in the top of your screen, so go ahead and click that if you've got any questions. Alright, so down here we got the Fury Country Hunter MTs. These are 35, 12, 50, 20. We wrap those around the Extreme Force XF8s. They have about a 5-inch lift. They're a 20 by 12 with a -44 offset. We then did the spike lug nuts on there. Extreme Force is a great alternative to the big forged wheel companies that are going to charge you a premium. These definitely look good, and a heads up, they are going to be making directional. They're still in production right now, but they are available for order. So get on that if you like this type of wheel. This setup will require minor trimming back here. As I was cranking the wheel full force, it was catching right back here. You can see a little bit of that mark, so we will get that taken care of as we're going. We'll also be putting in some power steps as we go along, and there's a couple other modifications that this owner is looking to make. But definitely a great looking truck, kind of gets that aggressive show truck look, but also looks like it could be taken off-road. Follows my rule of at least 6 inches of sidewall right here, so you're not curbing your wheels. So if you've got any questions about this setup, about this lift kit, or about these wheels or tires, go ahead and give us a shout. You can call the shop, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Give us a thumbs up on this video, and give us a subscribe as well.